gonna show you how to make spicy chicken with my new summer seasoning from Williams-Sonoma. It's just exactly what you think. It's just seasoning. So I kind of mixed together my favorite things that I would mix together anyway to try to put on chicken. So it's got salt, it's got some black pepper, it's got some parsley, some roasted garlic, and it's just all conveniently in one spot, which I like. And put a little bit of olive oil in there to be heating up. So we get a nice crisp sear on the skin. Okay, and then I just want to go skin side down. And then chicken will generally tell you when it's time to turn over. It'll get a little bit quiet. Patience is not my superpower, so the hardest part for me is to wait for it to actually get brown and get ready to flip over. So now that this skin is perfectly seared, I'm gonna just finish it off in the oven, and I'm gonna use the summer seasoning on some vegetables. I've got some zucchini, I've got some squash, some potatoes, some onions, and I'm gonna take some olive oil and just give it a liberal little drizzle of olive oil. And then I'm gonna sprinkle some of this summer seasoning over the top. And again, you just have all of that great flavor. There's roasted garlic in here, there's salt, there's pepper. So you have all these great flavors in one place. This is also one of those things when, as you're cooking, if you see these vegetables and you think they don't have enough seasoning on them, you can always sprinkle a little more. These actually look perfect to me. This roasted chicken looks and smells incredible. My mama always said simple is best, and I think that's what I love about this meal, is that it's not hard, you know, it's a few simple ingredients. All your spices are kind of done for you. You don't have to even worry about it. And then you have this beautiful dinner. My summer seasoning, along with all of my new summer food collection, is available at williamssonoma.com.